So how do you play challenge mode? So first of all, you reshuffle your pack of cards with your verbs and your prepositions, and you evenly deal them out once again. Player A, the one with the most points so far, because you've kept a track of your points here, the player with the most points so far, throws one of his prepositions onto the table. All of the identical prepositions that the other players will have in their cards. So anybody else who has an in, for example, is also going to stick the in, all of them, so we get rid of all of ins, for example. So basically every other player throws down the same preposition if they have them in their packs of cards. Okay. Then the player who is playing invites the other players to place one suitable verb from their pack of cards next to his preposition to challenge his knowledge of phrasal meanings. So let's imagine that the other players, okay, is in, one of them puts down this word, another one that one, another one this one, and another one this one, for example. The player must then choose two of those cards of his choice and has 5 to 10 seconds per card to give the corresponding meaning or an example in context that he can write down on his scorecard here for teacher correction. And there's a group vote. So for imagine, I'm going to say, so I'm going to take these two here, for example, to cut in and fit in. So to cut in means to, for example, to interrupt somebody, okay? And to fill in here is when you have a form, for example. I'll give you an example of that in context. I had a lot of difficulty filling in the application form for the internship. Okay, so if you get a correct answer, you get 4 points per verb that you've used. So here I would get 8 points. Okay, note down your points on the scorecard. If anything is incorrect, for example, player A gives a wrong answer or any other player places a wrong verb, it's -1 point for the person who has made the mistake. So for example, if I have the verb to say and the verb through, it doesn't mean anything, so 1 point is lost. You move clockwise and obviously repeat the instructions so that all players are challenged by the others. The game stops after, let's say, 5 or 10 minutes when no prepositions or verbs are left. So let's move on to the third phase of this game, which is tower mode.